I'm a social media marketer, and today I'm going to talk about how to find relevant hashtags that will work for you. As you already know, hashtags help us to be found on the internet by our target audience or people in our niche. But how to be found on the internet with correct hashtags? How do you know which hashtags are going to work for you and which ones won't? It's very simple. You do a research, you do hashtag research, and how do you do it? Let's find out. First of all, you go online and find out what your competitors are doing, which hashtags they're using, like which one is working out for them and which one isn't. Make a point of it. Second of all, use tools like #me and find out the best 10 hashtags according to keywords and use it. But the best one that you can do is brainstorm, because nothing works best than your ideas. Use your ideas in like whatever comes to your mind, point it out, note it down, okay, and find the keywords that your potential customers or target group or the people in your niche are going to search for to find you. Okay, so just do that and make a list of keywords, and then use tools such as #me and other keyword research the hashtag research tools, and then find out the perfect hashtag and related hashtags that's gonna work best for you. So yeah, that's how you do hashtag research. You'll find a lot of tools that are available online which will give you a lot of hashtags that are going to work for you viral. Like it will make your post viral in no time. So yeah, just follow the rules and have all the fun. Thanks.